Yeah. Hello, how are you? I love everybody.
Oh my goodness. I'm okay.
Yeah, look, weight on my shoulders, I bench that. Mine like a blade and I bend that. Came from the cold where the rent at. Now I make them freeze when I step back. Still slide through with the same.
Cuz, I ain't even gonna hold you. This is not my cousin.
This extremely flexible river otter has just learned a valuable new skill.
What? Fuck you. Who taught that otter that?
Sanbonani Dumelang. Hello, how are you? Welcome back to the channel, people. Thank you for clicking the video, man. It means a lot to us. You are watching Hill Care, and this is the second episode of the show. You know how we do it right here. We're just reacting to random funny creepy TikToks that we found on the net. So let's get to it. Yeah, for sure. South African mentality at the young age. Give me zoom. Give me zoom. Give me zoom. Where's zoom? Hey, give me zoom. Where's
yasolokhu ngiyeka utshwala nalo muntu obhosha eceleni kwendlu akaseshi manje asabikho asabikho uyazi vele uzombamba uyazi kahle uzombamba
yaphetha le grootman. Asikhulumeni bafethu manje nina abadayiwe nenzani ke. Asikhulumeni kuma comment. Namti step omunye umntwana now. He's happy, man. He's just enjoying himself. Sometimes in life you don't need much to be happy, man.
Lithi iBhayibheli uma itshontsha inkabi uyobhadala ngegaba ezine noma imvu ezimvu ezine. Angenzele umzekelo ukuthi
isibhamu isonto lenkabi le. Uzulu sport. Uzulu sport yabona uyakoisha sport. Yo. Kathele not menza busy impilo kathele.
Labandla angikhothi. Into nje hayi angikhothi. No baby uyazi nje. Ungambuza angiklokothi. Oh my god. Ngiyangikhothi indlela. Uyakhona nje ngizwe ngikhothi izwe uma ngithi anginamali.
Yaphetha umfu.
Hayibo.
Gari le dalithi seshi.
Ngane yambeja uveta.
Faka le shot lo.
Uvisa. Hoy! Yini le ivisa?
ngiyangiphatha amaqhaza umjida lawo
Ya, qinisile.
Awungayisho lo nto.
Yasisa toilet futhi.
Yini la ivisa le ngane?
Amadu.
Le ayibu.
Hey.
Let's ngizosana lo.
Izinqa lezi. Hayi izinqa lezi hayi.
Kwenzakalani la? Awukhulume phela.
Hola wathi
Owe ma. Awushaka oflawa Jesus. Abenza asiphume mfethu. Hayi. Hayi, awumba.
Sengisele papayi.
Awushanga iflower lomjitha.
Sengisele amjitha. Ngimthengisele.
Yena ngingisheri lo right nede ngishoda ngemjida ngicela nje emjida nje azwakele kimi umjida ngimfuna kakhulu
Nizwele bafowethu. Whoever made this ain't going to heaven, bruh. Ndala kabi manje. Yo. Lo muntu udla kanjani? Ukhuluma kanjani? Yo, ama ngahlangana naye ebusuku ngidla phansi. Sekuphelile ngayo. The wardrobe leni move once after 5 years.
Etsotini. Thank you Machobela.
Yazi ukuthi ukwenza ifithe wenzela ukuthi isithombe sakho usibhekise ukuthi iphutha lakho uthi hayibo warifu wethu straight imi kanjani shonto mina ngizobudala ya hayi nama ngina stress hayi kunesimo sokwenza ifithe wena nje sokumu yazi omunye uzasitshela ukuthi wena akakuba mnandi lo uyagula yabona mina ngimuntu hamba shintshe isinto into yakhe.
Whoever made this, man, shout out to you, man. This is dope. Keep up the good work, bro.
Mina iselfoni ngayithengela ukuthi ngiwashele ngibukele wona ama-video sex lawo. Ngoba ngiba ngithengela le phone ngithe ukuthi usuku nosuku hlezi ngiwashela amehlo ngibukele ama-video sex nje. Ngibukele ama-video sex. Akumele ukuthi ngimeduze kwendawo ne-Wi-Fi, manje ngiconnectele i-Wi-Fi. Ama-video sex ngiwashela amehlo ngibukele. Akunendaba mina umuntu ongithandayo umuntu wangithanda kamsebenzi naye. Njengoba le ukuthi ngibukele ama-video mina ngibukele ama-video sex. Kuyathuthuza kumoya wami. Noma ngigxeka ukuthi ngiyabheda mangibuka ama-video sex. Vele into ngibuyifuna ngiyozongibukisa wena.
Hayi. Awudinga usizo ndoda. Akuphelile ngosimola akakhona ukuphefumula la. Yabona ibhiya mayisekwenza kaso. Hayi, yeke mfethu.
manje mina limale lestereke shayale Mozambique le manje Mozambique basabulalane manje monibona ke inhloko yami le manje nefile mina Mozambique le manje Mozambique basabulalane manje monibona ke inhloko yami le manje nefile mina.
Isa, we're not. Had like a boy. You boo pilaba feet, you boo pilana. And tell you like a
Gotta make a move to a town that's right for me.
That was some crazy shit. It's gotta be AI.
Bye.
Itona zamanje ke lezi.
Subculture nje elokishini so khona amatsatsatsa khona ama-screw bese ba khona amadudu kube khona amaspova
Ayizojana amaspova.
Amaspova ba ama-hybrid so umuntu uthola ukuthi uyawalalela amapiano kodwa uyalalela ne-rap kodwa uyalalela ne-house kodwa yabo nje umuntu we-hybrid basically akwazi ukuvalela ikopini.
Mina ngathi ngispova
angayigqoka iformal shoe nesikhindi.
I take that back.
What you gonna do for big mama for real? What do I get for my birthday?
One thing for sure, she ain't my type.
Girl, you don't get your ass the fuck up looking like a bulldog down there.
The bee said nope and chased him instantly. What happened? Jesus Christ. That was close. Imagine the bee entered the car. That was close.
Yes, ke shayezinye manje. Yabona ke sinda amandla. Yabona bo my friend manje. Kahle mbo uthini lo mama?
Uthini lo mama? Lo mama.
I will free time. Nenzana phe Alex manje. Ayabona le ngiqala ukuyibona ke lena. Yabona le. I rest my case. I rest my case bafethu.
Aí, ó, porque o cachorro tá ligando aí, ó. Porque o cachorro tá ligando aí.
Alô?
Alethi sidlala ngathi liza mfethu. Futhi umalume akayizwanga from first time.
Apa ini guys? Buset, langsung lompat ya. Nyari apa dia? What?
Hey, semua buya nan. Buya na crocodile nan. Hey, ole, hey, ifuthi le crocodile. That's the reason mfana thina we don't play in the water.
No.
Yo, yabona lento enzakala lana. Yo.
After that first kick, all you would have heard is ping. Would have knocked the disability out of his ass.
Ayibo. Anisho ngempela. So ithini indaba yala mabeleni? Waphela funa nigane. Nambe nemzini kozala nincelisa ingane. So ithini ngempela indaba yala mabeleni angene khwapheni manilele ngomhlanje.
Hayi mara ngiyakuzwa mpina mfethu. Hayi abanye hey sinokubona imihlolo kwabanye abantu ndoda.
So ixazululo sithini? So ithini le ndaba singayiziseli. So ithini ngempela indaba ye-cleavage yesalikwazi ayinto engahlanga nje. Ngifaka ubra ihlangana yikho. So ithini ngempela indaba ye-cleavage yesalikwazi? Hayibo. Sazwane inkinga. Nizoncelisa ngane emzini. Nizoncelisa nokugana niyakufuna. Moya emzini nje uthi uyoncelisa ngane izingane ngoba phela afuna ziyoncela nezingane into engekho. So ithini ngempela le ndaba yenu? Icleavage engahlangani. Ibele ngala lingene khwapheni amabele angene emakhwapheni molele ngomhlana angene ibo. Angisayiphathi. Liphuza amanzi mawuwasha.
Uyabheda lo mjita.
What? No way, bro. No way. No way. Only in Zambia this thing is happening, bro. Only in Zambia. What? Jesse, train away. Get it, jump. What? No way. No way, bro.
Hayi. Anyamvuma boy intswempu. Hawu intswempu.
Oh, that was nice.
Yay.
Stay away from roses, boy. It can only hurt you.
Guys, what is this? Guys, लगता है यहाँ पे शायद रेस हो रहा है. Oh boy.
Oh, that was dope.
Guys,
That was
लगता है इस
dope.
बंदे के अंदर
Yo,
यहाँ
yo,
गजब
yo,
का
yo,
talent है।
ay, 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 ay.
He gave that boy some knuckle sandwiches. Ooh wee! And all of them was connecting. That boy had good Wi-Fi.
That boy had a good Wi-Fi.
Abe, how? Ya fuga, ya fuga. Ya bota aí, cara.
تفضل.
شوف لحظة لحظة.
يا عم انا شفتك اهو. يا عم فين؟ انا جيت منك. انا جيت منك.
I hope akekho umuntu olimele.
Kuyenzeka sithola uphuzi kodwa awunangqondo. Ufatha uzondlula abantu abaphuzayo noma ashonisa uyakweleta kodwa uphuzi uyafathuza nje thoda uphuzi uyisiphukuphuku udalile.
Nope. Let's try. Let's try. Go on. Go on. Let's try.
Alpha, don't tell me that this man they carry this car.
Jesus. They lie. Hey.
Awuyalu phoba shame. Yes, kid. Awudlali, you mean business.
So by understanding me individually, mina ngwakaZulu.
Manje bafo amuhle kangaka.
Awangazi
Ayashisa bafo.
Yeah, bengithi njengoba nithi nina nifuna ukubona ukuthi abantu abanjengami bacanga kanjani. The thing is, we are individuals, so indlela engicabanga ngayo might not be the same as another gay or queer person. So just take yabo imbuzo engizongibuza nizobe nibuza ngami nizokwazi ngami and my character. And then when you engichazela nithi nilaleni.
Ulo nje ubhedala uchildish lo mfethu uyachazela lokho ba childish la. Kuba bathi uchaze wethu.
Buzani phela ngithi benifuna ukubuza so you guys.
Manje point indaba ungibuka straight in my eyes.
Mina ngibuka ifoni mina. Angibuki icamera khele mina. Yeah, angibuka ifoni.
Ayiphila musi lokhu uplasha mfethu. Buka mfethu. Nwazi impra wena athatha intombazane wena.
Yeah, intombazane. Yeah, intombazane. Do you transformer?
Hayi oyama.
Are you on transformer?
Are
you transgender?
I'm just a femboy. He, him, his.
Hayibo.
There is signs you were born to change the direction of your bloodline. This is not by accident. Let me say this gently. If you are watching this and something inside you feels heavy, different, misunderstood, this message is for you. Some of you were not born for comfort. You were born to interrupt patterns. Here are 3 signs you were born to change the direction of your bloodline. Sign number 1, you suffer differently from others in the family. Not the same problems, not the same mistakes. Your pain feels deeper, heavier, more confusing. That's because you are carrying what others avoided. You are the one sent to end circles, not repeat them. Sign number 2, you feel like you didn't belong even in your own family. You love them, but you don't think like them. You don't move like them. Their normal feels strange to you. That's not pride. That's separation for assignment. You were never meant to fit in. You were meant to reset the lineage. Sign number 3, your life feels delayed, blocked, or slowed down, yet you are spiritually aware. This one hurts because you keep asking, why me? Here's the truth most people won't tell you. Bloodline breakers are registered spiritually and physically, because when you rise, generations will rise with you, and resistance always shows up before transformation. Let me say this clearly. You are not cursed. You are not unlucky. You are not failing. You are under initiation. Your confusion is not madness. Your sensitivity is not weakness. Your isolation is not rejection. It's preparation. You are not here to be perfect. You are here to be different enough to stop what's been destroying your family quietly. If this message touched you, don't rush past it. Sit with it. Breathe with it. And if you know, you know. Drop I accept the assignment in the comments. Save this video. You will need it again. And share it with one person who always felt out of place but never heard the words. Peace and light.
Now you know I had to leave you with some joint, man. Hey, may the Most High protect you always, man. This was the 2nd episode of the show, man. Yazi sayincenga sidla kancane kancane njengegundwane. So sifike lapho sifika khona mfowethu. Otherwise, peace, love and light, man. We out.